Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 world's most dangerous jobs. Number 10. Truck drivers. This job is very dangerous because of two things: extremely long distance traveling and dangerous roads. Some of them are tennis tips roads found on mountains that are not made for trucks, but truck drivers are still forced to drive on them, such as Tolstingen Northway. Number 9. Prison guard. A prison guard can be a job that could cost your life if you are not 100% focused in maximum security. Prisons such as Zaldani Prison in Georgia, where the most dangerous criminals are to be found. A security guard should never be alone. Many of these prisoners are already serving lifetimes, so in their eyes, they don't have much to lose. Number 8. Nuclear worker. The radioactive material was so toxic that it was recommended for the population to be many kilometers away. These workers had to be in physical contact with it in order to shut it down. Many of them died. Number 7. Oil rigger. Oil rigger have to work up to 16 hours a day on offshore oil platform. They have to be aware of constantly moving machines that could crush their body by one misstep, and they have to be at the lookout for gigantic waves that could easily drown them. Number 6. Electrical power line worker. 50 volts alone could kill a human. The deadly power line can carry up to 8 lakh volts and could kill thousands of people. Imagine climbing up 50 meters and have to keep two things in mind. First, don't fall. Second, don't make a wrong switch. Both of these mistakes could end your life in a matter of seconds. Number 5. War zone reporter. A humble reporter forced to go into the middle of a dangerous war zone just to get the best shots. Wearing a press logo on the chest and hope that he won't get shot in the action is all he can do. Number 3. Coal miner. Breathing in this dust can be fatal alone, and you have to be aware that the mine hundreds of meters above you could suddenly collapse. Number 2. Lumberjack. You may think it's just the sharp saw that can be dangerous. No, in fact, most of the people dying in this profession is due to a bad idea of where the tree will land and gets crushed in the process. Number 1. Astronauts. The mortality rate of being an astronaut is about 7%. Knowing that you have a 7% chance of dying makes you think twice before choosing this profession. One extremely tiny mistake could make the rocket explode, the oxygen could leak, or you could simply be stuck in the space forever. Number 1. Deep crab fishing. They have to be able to work up to 24 hours a day. Scrub ice off the boat, heavy lifting, and be aware of gigantic waves that could wipe any man off the boat. If you ask an old fisherman if he have been in any dangerous situation where he luckily stayed alive, he would probably say yes. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.